Hello everyone, just a very quick video to tell you about Dyson Week starting on Monday at 7 p.m. Yes, from Monday until the following Sunday there will be a video every day featuring a Dyson product. Tomorrow you'll be seeing me unbox a brand new Dyson cleaner, and on Tuesday, fingers crossed, you'll see a full demo of this Dyson Kinetic Big Ball Animal. I'll also be showing you some of my Dyson brochures, and I'll be unboxing and demonstrating other machines, both vintage and brand new models. And no, before you ask, I don't have a Dyson V10 at the moment, but hopefully that will change in the future. But I've still got to show you my Dyson V7 and V8 cordless machines. I've also got some vintage Dysons to open, new in the box vintage machines, plus some refurbished machines I've recently bought. So don't forget, tune in at 7 p.m. UK time on Monday for the first video, and then 7 p.m. every other day right up to the following Sunday. Well, I've left a bit of a mess during my demonstration for this Dyson Kinetic Big Ball, so I think I better clean it up. See you all soon. Bye for now.